What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for new content. So guys, I got a birthday present. My birthday was February 20th. I had a choice to be gifted by my lovely mother a cup, a viral tumbler, I should say, which is the very well-known Stanley cup. She had ordered this cup, and we're gonna do a quick story time. Okay, she ordered this cup like a week before my birthday. They still weren't able to deliver it in time, and by they I mean Amazon. I guess the seller, I don't know if it's like the Stanley store, I don't really know because it's her account, but it literally was taking forever. I'm on TikTok. You guys will see that in my intro and in my outro. Follow your girl because I am on the road right now to 500 followers. I'm at like 240 something. So if you see this, go give me a follow, please. Please help your girl out. On TikTok, and I'm on TikTok faithfully like every day. That is my social media. Some people like Facebook, some people like Instagram, some people like Snapchat. I'm a TikTok girl wholeheartedly. And the reason why is because I just learned so much off of there from other people, and I just like the community over there. The community of people over on TikTok is just, especially the mom community. So shout out to the other moms over there. I keep seeing this Meoky cup and I'm like, I might have to try it. Your girl got the Meoky cup and we're about to unbox this together. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited. Look guys, I'm so excited. So guys, I am so excited. Look how pretty this box is. So I got the like ombre glittery tumbler and I got a 50 ounce. Your girl got the 50 ounce. Okay, so it's a tumbler with a handle. Let's open her up. And it just smells so brand new. I love that smell. Okay, so here is the straw, and then let's take the cup out. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I am so happy right now. I have never owned a Stanley cup, nor like not a tumbler like this at all. Like the only tumbler that I have is like a water bottle type tumbler, and that's great too. And I did get that off Amazon, and I love that to like go on my walks and stuff. But just like to have this for like work, or to like, you know, carry around the house, or take in the car, whatever. If I'm going to the store and just still have like that ice water, you know. Gosh, I'm so excited. These colors, you have the light pink, and then it ombres into like this like darker pink, and it's so cute and it's shimmery. I love that. And it does say Meoky at the bottom here, and the handle is really grip friendly, and it has like silicone here on the inside of the handle, which is awesome. And on the outside it's like a hard plastic, and it's huge. Look how big this cup is. Stanley, you guys better watch out. You got some competition. And then it does have a, I'm assuming this is like a non-slip grip at the bottom, so it's not hard to tip over or slide or anything. And that is a plus in my book because I have a 2.5-year-old, so you know it gets messy over here. I'm gonna open up the cup so you guys can see the inside. Here is the lid. Okay, and as you can see, here is like the cover. You can see the hole is covered, and here is like the little flap to keep it closed whenever the straw is out of the hole here. And I'm assuming that is to prevent, from what I've seen, spills. And we're gonna test this out too, guys, like don't worry. And I just took the straw out the plastic, and for some reason I was thinking this was hard, but it's not. It's silicone, and this is to prevent the metal from like clicking against your teeth, which is amazing and a wonderful thought. That is a plus. for sure. But what I was talking about was if you put your straw through like this, right? It's through the hole and that flap is open. So of course, like if you were to, you'll see the gap, I think. But if you had water in your cup, it would probably spill. But when it's not in there, this closes and it seals it. So that is awesome. And let me show you guys the inside of this cup. Just look how big this is. Stainless steel on the inside to keep your drinks nice and cold or hot. I will be putting ice water in here. I probably won't put coffee in here, but then again, you never know. I like to use like tumblers for just water, you know, because I'm trying to drink more water, and that's why I got the 50-ounce one too, because the tumbler that I have right now, that's like the water bottle, is only like a 32-ounce, and it's just not enough. It's not enough. So I'm like, I need something bigger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna wash this out. Wash your cups. Wash your cups when you get them. I'm gonna go wash this out, and then I'm gonna fill it with ice water, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do the water, the infamous water test that everybody's been doing with these. So be right back. All right, y'all, so I am back. So I am putting the lid on right now. Easy peasy. I'm putting the straw in. I got my ice in here. You guys can hear. Take a sip. It's so comfy. This silicone right here is so comfy against your lips too. Like it's soft, it's perfect. The grip is great on it. Like I said, it's perfect. When you have water in here, it is a little bit heavy, and I don't even have this full I don't even have this filled all the way to the top. It's probably filled to about like right here. But it is like, you can knock somebody out with this. You could definitely knock somebody out with this. But you guys, I want to try this water leak test. So I already know it's gonna spill because there's a straw right here, but we're gonna do it anyway. So here we go. Yes, so as you can see, it did spill out just now. All over the floor. But if we take the straw out, okay, so there's water here at the top from me just doing that, but as you can see, no water, nothing. So it is mom approved. Mom approved. Is it 10 out of 10 and would I recommend? Absolutely. And this cup was a lot cheaper than the Stanley cup. I want to say for this 50-ounce tumbler, it was about 10 bucks cheaper than the Stanley. And to even get the silicone tip, which I'm not sure if the Stanley cups have the silicone tip. If they do, great. This is a plus. And then you have the non-slip grip at the bottom as well. So that is also a plus. And I don't think Stanley has that, you guys. So, but this clip, like, you can put this in your gym bag. Like if you go to the gym, take the straw, put it in your gym bag, and you can carry it with you, you know, and it's not gonna spill anywhere. This is a awesome cup, you guys, and I am so blessed and so happy that I got one, because your girl was about to fall for a Stanley cup and she didn't. Go get you guys one of these cups. It is great. It is awesome. I'll put the link to this one down below for the one that my mom got me. The link below will be my Amazon affiliate link. It's something that I started and that I'm interested in. I love doing Amazon reviews. I just like doing reviews actually in general. So you guys will be seeing a lot more review type videos. I like watching them myself and I like doing them myself. I will put the affiliate link in the description box below. It'll take you right to the Amazon website to purchase this cup. Yeah guys, go get one. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for new content. And shout out to the few people that are new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Make sure you follow me on my TikTok. Everything is linked in the intro, outro, and also in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.